Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a classic debate, Canon versus Nikon. If you're a beginner photographer looking to invest in your first DSLR camera, this video is for you. We'll break down the key differences between these two giants and help you decide which brand is the right fit for your needs. Key differences. Let's start with the basics. Both Canon and Nikon offer a wide range of DSLR cameras, from entry-level models to professional-grade beasts. But there are some key differences to consider. Lens mounts. Canon uses the EF/EFS mount, while Nikon uses the F mount. This means lenses from one brand are not compatible with the other. Autofocus systems. Both brands have excellent autofocus systems, but they work differently. Canon's dual pixel CMOS AF is known for its speed and accuracy, especially in live view and video. Nikon's autofocus system is also very good, particularly in low light conditions. Image quality. Both brands produce high-quality images. However, Canon is often praised for its vibrant colors, while Nikon is known for its sharp details and accurate white balance. Ergonomics and build quality. This is largely a matter of personal preference. Some photographers prefer the feel of Canon cameras, while others find Nikon's ergonomics more comfortable. Both brands offer durable and well-built cameras. Now let's look at some popular entry-level models from each brand. Canon EOS Rebel T7/EOS 2000D. This is a great beginner camera with a user-friendly interface and excellent image quality. Nikon D3500. This is a similarly affordable option with a long battery life and a lightweight design. Choosing the right brand. So how do you choose between Canon and Nikon? Here are a few things to consider. Budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend on the camera body and lenses. Lenses. Research the lenses available for each brand and see which ones best suit your photography interests. Ergonomics. Visit a camera store and try holding both Canon and Nikon cameras to see which one feels more comfortable in your hands. Personal preference. Consider factors like image style and autofocus performance. Ultimately, the best brand for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Both Canon and Nikon offer excellent cameras for beginners. The most important thing is to choose a camera that inspires you to create great photos and videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more photography tips and tutorials. Leave a comment below and let us know which brand you're leaning towards and why. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has been helpful. See you in next video.